This is Marcelo here with Adventurous Outdoor Brand and Apparel, about to bring you a video of the Adventurous Roof Top Tent line. This model is the Grizzly. So as you can see here, the tent comes with a telescoping ladder, allowing you to adjust heights depending on the ground, how level it is or whatnot. But the tent is actually a very bright red. The awning is a very light gray. That is actually going to change. It's actually going to be a nice darker gray. Not as dark as my vehicle, but like a nice kind of a charcoal gray to complement that red. So here's going to be an added feature. You can see what looks like a deflated balloon is the cover. But here, up in this corner, we're going to have extra straps added. That way you'll be able to roll up the cover. It can be up here nice and tight, out of the way with these extra straps we're going to add, and that way you can get to the rest of your vehicle. Okay, coming up the ladder here. Here is the inside of the tent. Like I said, this is a very spacious tent. This is the 4 to 5 sleeper here. Here you see the 2 to 2.5 inch foam mattress. It's got a sheet on it already, or a cover, I guess you could say. A feature that is going to be added that you don't see here, it's going to have an anti-condensation mat that's going to be here. Keep out that condensation, keep your mat from getting soggy and moldy. Okay, now we're inside the tent. As you can see, it's pretty huge. And you can see one of the features that we're going to add, we're going to have a loop that's going to be stitched up here. That way you can hang a LED light, a little lantern or whatnot. Be easy access there for you to hang something. You got these cool pockets on the side, fairly big. There's 4 of them. You can see that there's 2 layers to the windows. There's the mesh. And here's the actual cover if you want to close out the wind. Some loops here. The loops are actually for these bungees that you can kind of keep in here. That way when you go to close your tent, when you go to fold it back up, there's not so much material hanging out on the side. Some vents here. You got these extra straps, that way you can fold up the window like so. The main window, the body part of the window is folded up here, that way when this is all zipped up and closed, you can still look out. Or it can be zipped down. You can release these little kind of hook and loop things, zip everything up, and shut this thing up nice and tight. The tent is 280G Ripstop material with a waterproof coating. The cover is 1000D Ripstop material. Definitely waterproof, definitely strong. Reinforcement stitching on the corners, zips up tight. Beautiful looking tent. You can see the size of the tent now. So there it is, guys. So if you guys got any other questions about the rooftop tents, Adventurous line, hit us up. We'll be willing and ready and happy to answer any questions you guys got. Thank you.